Avoid these 3 fatal crypto mistakes every beginner trader makes. Everyone dreams of making life-changing money in crypto, but very few actually succeed in the long run. The harsh reality is that most beginners lose everything, and they don't even realize why it happens. The reason is simple. They fall into the same deadly traps over and over again. Meanwhile, professionals know these traps very well and avoid them at all costs. Today, I will reveal the 3 biggest mistakes that guarantee failure in crypto trading. Mistake number 1 is chasing quick profits without any real strategy or plan. Imagine you see a coin suddenly pumping hard on the charts. Your emotions kick in, fear of missing out takes control, and you rush to buy instantly. But almost every time, the second you jump in, the price collapses and you're left holding the bag. Mistake number 2 is trading without any kind of risk management. Beginners often put their entire account into a single coin. Or even worse, they use leverage, sometimes 10x or 20x, without fully understanding the risk. That's why professionals say, risk management is not optional, it's survival. Successful traders never risk more than 1 to 2% of their total capital in a single trade. They treat their capital like oxygen because without it, there is no trading, only suffocation. Mistake number 3 is ignoring education and rushing for shortcuts. Many beginners believe they can make fast money without learning the basics. This approach always leads to disaster, because luck never lasts in the long run. Professionals take the opposite path. They invest in themselves first. The choice is yours. Repeat the same beginner mistakes or rise above them. Crypto trading can change your life, but only if you approach it with the right mindset. Because that is the only path to long-term success in crypto trading.